Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening your Surface Pro 5 without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the replacement process. Once it's off, place the suction cup near the edge of the screen, ensuring it's firmly attached. Gently pull up on the suction cup while using the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the device. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the screen. As you work your way around the device, you'll encounter adhesive strips that hold the screen in place. Use the spudger to carefully cut through these strips. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Once the screen is detached, you'll see the internal components of your Surface Pro 5. Locate the battery, which is typically secured with several screws. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. It's important to keep track of all screws to ensure a smooth reassembly. Next, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious, as there may be adhesive holding it in place. If necessary, use the spudger to help release it. Once the old battery is removed, take a moment to clean the internal area with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the longevity of your device. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it carefully in the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it's firmly in place, as a loose battery can cause issues later on. Before reattaching the screen, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Power on your Surface Pro 5 and check if it's charging correctly. If everything looks good, you can proceed to reattach the screen. Apply a small amount of adhesive or use the existing adhesive strips to secure the screen back in place. Press down firmly around the edges to ensure a good seal. If you're unsure about any of these steps, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about whether to proceed with a professional service. Finally, once the screen is securely attached, power on your device one last time to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery in your Surface Pro 5. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best care for your device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.